There he is. Hey y'all, this is Jerry here again with you, Country Folks 100. I'm still here at Darbonne. This is going to be our last morning. I'm out of crickets, so the only thing left that I can really do is do some bass fishing. I'm going to go take the little boat and put it in over there at the boat ramp, and I'm going to go fish an area where we've actually fished before on the channel, and so we'll try that out, and I'm going to just be fishing with Sinkos probably, and see if I can catch a bass or two. And I won't be able to be out there too long because the little boat leaks, so I can literally only be out there for a little while and then come on back and get ready to go. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll see if we catch anything this morning. Alright, got my first one of the morning. Camera wasn't recording. Awesome hook set and everything, but should have had on camera, but didn't get it. Alright, maybe we'll be able to get a couple more of these though. There he is. All right. All right, man. I just saw him flounce. Man, good little fish. Pulled it out of his mouth. I was waiting on him. I need that little fish. I was already thinking about it before he even hit it. I don't know if I stuck. If I didn't stick him, he may hit me. Alright, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and get off here for now. I may make a little short video with this. I'm not sure. I'm going to try to keep the GoPro going on the way back, but because I got a good little ways to paddle to get back to the dock over there, and my little boat is taking on quite a good bit of water, so I need to probably go ahead and start heading that way because it's going to take a minute. Alright, well, I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all try to subscribe to the channel, we'd appreciate it, and we'll see y'all later. Alright, bye.